Chapter 9: Algorithms and Flowcharts. We do different kinds of tasks in our daily life, such as getting ready for school, doing homework, going for shopping, etc. To do each task, certain steps are followed. Let us understand this concept with the help of an example. To prepare a cup of tea or coffee, there are some equipment and ingredients required, and then you need to follow the process involving the steps given below. Pour the ingredients in the utensil. Put it on the gas stove. Turn on the gas stove. Pour it in a cup. Bring the solution to a boil until it is cooked. Similarly, to solve any problem on the computer, a step-by-step approach is followed. For example, if you want to get the sum of two numbers, you need to follow the steps given below. Input two numbers, perform addition of input numbers, display the sum. This step-by-step approach to solve a problem is called algorithm in computer. Algorithms. An algorithm can be defined as a sequence of activities to be followed for getting a task done or obtaining the desired output from a given input. It contains instructions which, when written in any computer language, become a computer program. Thus, an algorithm is important to develop a program. Rules for writing an algorithm. There is a set of rules that you should follow while writing an algorithm. It should be clear, exact, and well defined. It should always begin with the word start and end with the word stop. Steps should be numbered as Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. Each step in an algorithm should be written in a separate line. Example 1. Algorithm to get ready for the school. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Wake up. Step 3. Brush your teeth and take bath. Step 4. Wear uniform. Step 5. Have your breakfast. Step 6. Comb your hair. Step 7. Wear your school shoes. Step 8. Say bye to everyone and leave for the school. Step 9. Stop. Example 2. Algorithm to compare two numbers. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Input two numbers, say A and B. Step 3. If A is equal to B, then go to Step 4, else go to Step 5. Step 4. Display both the numbers are equal and go to Step 8. Step 5. If A is greater than B, then go to Step 6, else go to Step 7. Step 6. Display A is greater than B and go to Step 8. Step 7. Display B is greater number. Step 8. Stop. Flowcharts. A flowchart is another problem-solving tool that represents an algorithm in pictorial form. It uses a set of symbols that represent various instructions and shows the sequence and interconnection of functions with the use of lines and arrows. Symbols used in a flowchart. Different symbols used in drawing a flowchart are listed in the following table. Symbol, name, description. Oval, start, stop, box. It is used to show the beginning and the end of the flowchart. Parallelogram, input, output, box. It is used for the input and output instructions in a flowchart. Rectangle, process box. It is used to show the processing instructions in a flowchart. Diamond, decision box. It is used for the instructions which involve a condition with two options, yes and no, to choose from. Lines with arrowhead, flow lines. These lines are used to show the direction of flow of data and instructions in a flowchart. Circle, connector. This symbol is used to connect various sections of a flowchart together. It is usually used in bigger flowcharts which spread in multiple pages. Rules for drawing a flowchart. Like an algorithm, there are certain rules that must be followed while drawing a flowchart. A flowchart can have only one start and one stop symbol. There can be only one flow line with the start and stop symbol. Only one flow line can come out from the process symbol. only one flow line can enter the decision symbol and two flow lines can come out from it. The flow lines should not cross each other. The direction of flow of information in a flowchart is either from top to bottom or from left to right. Example 1. Flowchart to compare two numbers. Start. Input A and B. Is A equal to B? Yes. Print. The two numbers are equal. No. Is A greater than B? Yes. Print A is greater. No. Print B is greater. Stop. Example 2. Flowchart to accept a number and find whether it is even or odd. Start. Input number. Is number mode 2 equal to 0? Yes. Print the number is even. No. Print the number is odd. Stop. Example 3. Flowchart to accept the name of the user and display it on the screen. Start. Input name. Print my name is name. Stop. Example 4. Flowchart to accept the age of the user and display whether he or she can vote or not. Start. Input age. Is age greater than equal to 18? Yes. Print you can vote. No. Print you cannot vote. Stop. Quick recap. An algorithm can be defined as a sequence of activities to be followed for getting a task done or obtaining the desired output from a given input. A flowchart is another problem-solving tool that represents an algorithm in pictorial form. The start-stop box is used to show the beginning and end of a flowchart. The input-output box is used for the input and output instructions in a flowchart. The process box is used for the processing instructions in a flowchart. The decision box is used for the instructions which involve a condition with two options, yes and no, to choose from. The flow lines are used to show the direction of flow of data and instructions in a flowchart.